Manifestation motivation, you are God. When we first discovered the law, we came to know that the outer world is not real, it is a projection of your thoughts and beliefs. You are the creator of all you see. This new fact can become a source of anxiety for many people if it is not well comprehended. The ego insists, I mustn't have any negative thoughts or doubt. This anxiety of being afraid manifests itself more and more until we feel entirely bewildered or give up on the law altogether. I believe that always looking for what we're doing wrong or what we need to alter is detrimental to our progress. You don't need to make any changes. Everything else will be wiped away by your powerful, unwavering belief that you are God. Whether you believe in limiting beliefs or not, God has moved on. Only God is aware of love, wholeness, abundance, joy. And because it is all of those things, God can only create more of it. You are the Almighty. Doubt will not be able to touch you once you embrace and understand this. It doesn't mean you won't have doubts, it just means you'll accept them and go on. Even if that doubt doesn't seem to want to leave. The ignorant ego is a part of you, but it isn't you, and you can love it while ignoring whatever it tries to force on you. When you realize that those limited thoughts, doubts, and feelings are unimportant, they will silently vanish. You are denying your holy nature if you are continuously looking for what you are doing or thinking wrong. You're making the procedure more difficult. Is God pondering what limiting beliefs lay dormant within itself? When you're feeling lost, realize that all that matters is I am. It's fine to have doubts. Just keep coming back to the I am.